Yes, good afternoon, students. Am I audible? Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today is whose present seminar? I think Divyojit.
Yes, ma'am.
Radio is na Divyojit?
Yes, ma'am.
ঠিক আছে, তোমার টপিকটো কি আছিল?
Physiology of kidney.
ওকে, ঠিক আছে। স্টার্ট কৰা আৰু তোমাৰ ভিডিওটো অন ৰাখা হ'ব। স্টার্ট কৰা এতিয়া।
Good afternoon.
There's also some of you can turn on your videos if you want. You can turn on your videos if
My
you
name
want
is
to turn on.
Divyojit Sekyan, and I'm a DDIT second semester student, Assam University.
Okay.
And my topic is physiology of kidney. So, actually, my English is poor, ma'am. So, I will explain it in Hindi. Can I explain it in Hindi?
Yes, yes. English hawk, Hindi, anything. But try to speak in English. হ'ব? ইংলিশত অকমান মিস্টেক হলেও প্ৰবলেম নাই, কিন্তু ট্ৰাই কৰিলে কি হয় that মানে কনফিডেন্সটো আহিব আৰু লাহে লাহে শিকি যাব। ওকে, বাট ট্ৰাইটো কৰিব লাগে সদায়। ওকে, হিন্দী আৰু ইংলিশ কিন্তু মিক্স কৰিবা, পুৰা হিন্দী নিদিবা, ইংলিশো মিক্স কৰিবা দেই।
एक्चुअली फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ किडनी में मेन होता है ये किडनी ही मेन होता है इसमें, मतलब ये मेरा किडनी का डायग्राम है मैंने और इसमें क्या होता है, इन फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ किडनी वी स्टडी अबाउट प्रॉपर फंक्शन ऑफ किडनीज. So some parts of kidneys, those are inferior vena cava, descending aorta, adrenal gland or right kidney, left kidney, ureter, urinary bladder और urethra. ये मतलब किडनी यूरिनरी सिस्टम का मेन पार्ट है. इसमें फर्स्ट आता है इंफीरियर वेना कवा. तो इसका मेन फंक्शन क्या है? It's a larger vein that carries the deoxygenated blood. मतलब ये बिना ऑक्सीजन का ब्लड कैरी करता है. और ये डिसेंडिंग एरोटा जो है ये इट्स डिलीवर्ड ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. और इसमें जो एड्रिनल ग्लैंड है, ये एड्रिनल ग्लैंड का मेन फंक्शन होता है, इट प्रोड्यूस हार्मोन्स दैट हेल्प रेगुलेट आवर रेगुलेट आवर, मतलब ये हार्मोन्स करता है. और ये हार्मोन हमारे शरीर में मेटाबॉलिज्म और इम्यून सिस्टम और ब्लड प्रेशर कंट्रोल करने में ये हेल्प करता है. सो किडनी के अंदर इसमें होता है रेनल आर्टरी, रेनल वेन, रेनल पेल्विस और मेडुला एंड कॉर्टेक्स. और भी है, मैंने मतलब इतना ही इंक्लूड किया है. तो रेनल renal artery and renal vein. तो क्या काम है इसका, मतलब फंक्शंस? ये renal artery brings blood to the kidneys for filtration. ये filtration के लिए मतलब blood किडनी तक कैरी करता है. और ये renal vein carries away filtered blood from kidney. ये डिफरेंस है दोनों में, renal artery और renal vein की बीच का. मतलब एक ब्लड कैरी करता है किडनी तक, और एक ये ब्लड मतलब किडनी से फिल ये मतलब ये किडनी से फिल्टरेड ब्लड मतलब एवे करता है ये रिनल वेन. और मेडुला, it's help to regulate concentration of the urine. और ये इनरमोस्ट पार्ट भी है ये किडनी का. कॉर्टेक्स, it's the outer part of kidney, and other is renal pelvis. ये फाइनल टाइप का एक मतलब पार्ट है, फाइनल शेप का. और ये यूरेटर, इसके अंदर से यूरिन जाते हैं यूरेटर होके, मतलब यूरिनरी ब्लैडर तक. सो मेन फंक्शन ऑफ किडनी. So the physiology of kidney, this encompasses all function. So those are some functions of kidney. ये क्या करता है basically, maintenance of acid base balance in our body. So किडनी मतलब किडनी एसिड और बेस का जो बैलेंस ये मेंटेन करता है. रेगुलेशन ऑफ फ्लूइड बैलेंस, और फ्लूइड बैलेंस करता है. रेगुलेशन ऑफ सोडियम, पोटेशियम एंड अदर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स. और क्लियरेंस ऑफ टॉक्सिन्स, और एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ ग्लूकोज, amino acids and other small molecules. और रेगुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड प्रेशर. और भी है लेकिन मैंने सिर्फ इतना ही कलेक्ट किया है. सो इन किडनी नेफ्रॉन इज मेन पार्ट, क्योंकि ये किडनी का स्मॉलेस्ट फंक्शनल यूनिट है. सो इन रेनल फिजियोलॉजी is study about nephron, which is the smallest functional unit of kidney. So nephron beings with a filtration component that filters the blood entering the kidney. मतलब ये नेफ्रॉन ब्लड को फिल्टर करता है जो किडनी में मतलब एंटर होता है. and filtered component flows along the length of nephron, which is a tubular structure. और इसका स्ट्रक्चर मतलब ट्यूबुलर है. and lined by a single layer of specialized cell and surrounded by capillaries. और ये capillaries है मतलब tiny blood containing structure. So a specialized cell का major function, the major function of those specialized cells are reabsorption of water and small molecules from the filtration into the blood and so proper function of kidney. Kidney is receives and adequately filters blood and it's perform at macroscopic level by many hundred of thousand of filtration unit cells. तो इसमें हेल्प करता है और यूनिट सेल्स और इसमें रेनल कैप्सूल्स और रेनल कैप्सूल्स एंड बोमेन कैप्सूल्स ये हेल्प करता है मतलब दे आर एस्टिमेटिंग द रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन सेल व्हिच इज ग्लोमेरुलर filtration rate मतलब GFR. So and formation of urine, the kidneys ability to perform many of its functions depends on the three fundamental functions basically. Those are filtration, reabsorption and secretion. तो इसमें एक फॉर्मूला भी इंक्लूड किया है तो फिल्ट्रेशन रीएब्जॉर्प्शन और सेक्रेशन अगर whose sum is called renal clearance. तो formula is urinary secretion rate is equal to filtration rate minus reabsorption rate plus secretion rate. That's it, ma'am.
Finish, Dibyajit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you ask now if anyone have any doubt. Ask your friends if any doubt.
So तुम लोगों को कोई डाउट है तो क्वेश्चन और मतलब Hello.
Surajit, network baya. We can't hear you. Otherwise, you can text it in chat box. Tomorrow question to chat box or likhi diya, then Dibyajit can see and answer.
Hello, Surajit.
Others, any doubt? Dibyajit, chat box to swa.
Yes, ma'am.
Mercy said that tumi ako mane starting or explain koribo dise. She asked you to explain again, and Surajit is asking what is the topic. Ako starting or aro ekbar bhalke kori diya.
Surajit, the topic is physiology of kidneys. तो इसमें मतलब all about kidneys, how to function kidney, ये कैसे काम करता है, मतलब क्या क्या होता है इसमें, तो क्या होता है, some functions of kidneys, those are maintenance of acid base balance in our body, regulation of fluid balance, regulation of sodium, potassium and other electrolytes, and clearance of toxins, absorption of glucose, amino acids and other small molecules जो मतलब हमारे शरीर को मतलब जरूरत है, and regulation of blood pressure, और blood pressure भी control करता है ये. So उसके बाद nephron. Renal physiology is study about the nephron, which is the smallest functional unit of kidney. ये nephron smallest functional unit of kidney है. Nephron brings with a filtration component that filter the blood entering the kidney. Filtered component flows along the length of nephron, which is tubular structure, lined by a single layer of specialized cells and surrounded by capillaries. और capillaries का meaning है tiny blood containing structure. So the major function of those species are reabsorption of water and small molecules from the filtration, from the filtration into the blood, and the secretion of waste from the blood into urine. So function of kidney. Kidney is receives and adequately filters blood, and it performed at microscopic level by many hundred of thousands of filtration unit cells. So renal capsules and Bowman capsules, they are estimating the rate of filtration cell. So ये जो glomerular filtration rate है, ये estimate करता है renal capsule और Bowman capsules. And formation of urine. The kidney's ability to perform many of its functions depend on the three fundamental functions. So those are filtration, reabsorption and secretion. तो इसमें एक फॉर्मूला है, urine excretion rate is equal to filtration rate minus reabsorption rate plus secretion rate.
Finish?
Or yes ma'am.
ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া you ask any 10 participants, you ask questions individually.
Yes ma'am. I will ask. Hello. Pokriti Roy. Hello. Hello, Prakriti.
Prakriti Rai.
Yes.
तुम ये can you tell two function of kidney? मतलब
Functions
किडनी
of
क्या काम करता है? किडनी इन आवर बॉडी, मतलब किडनी क्या काम करता है हमारे शरीर में?
formation of urine,
Yes.
production of hormones.
Yes. Thank you, Monica. Don't relax. Ishan. I will ask Ishan. Hello, Ishan. GFR का फुल फॉर्म बताते हो?
Glomerular filtration rate.
Yes. Thank you, Ishan. Yes, you are right.
Thank you.
I will ask. Krishna. Hello, Krishna.
Yes.
Can you tell a function of adrenal gland?
What?
एड्रिनल ग्लैंड का फंक्शन, मतलब ये एड्रिनल ग्लैंड जो है ना, ये क्या काम करता है?
Immune system, blood pressure.
इम्यून सिस्टम और ब्लड प्रेशर कंट्रोल करने में
Blood pressure, metabolism, stress regulation.
Yes. You're right. Thank you, Trishna.
Welcome.
Hello, Rifen. Hello, Rifen. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you tell what is nephron?
What is nephron?
Yes.
Okay. Nephron is a functional unit of the kidney. The structure that actually produces urine in the process of removing waste and excess substances from the blood.
Yes.
They are about 1,000 nephrons in 1 million nephrons in each kidney in human kidney, I mean.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hmm. Hello, Srijana.
Yes.
Can you tell difference between renal artery and renal vein? Anyone?
Okay, a renal artery carries blood to the kidney, and renal vein carries the filter blood away from the kidney.
Yes. Thank you, Srijana. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Hall ne? ঠিক আছে. Okay. Good presentation. And tomorrow diagram. I really like the diagram. Okay. Diagram was good. And also the parts were very visible. Why? Because of the coloring. We are able to differentiate the parts. Show me your diagram. Diagram to Samsung. Yeah. Diagram is very clear and distinguishable because of the coloring. Chart paper akil aru bhal lagibo hoy kintu but still it's looking very nice. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And group discussion was also good. Everyone was participating. And yes, it was a good presentation. But Tolot, what you have written? Anatomy of kidney.
Yes, ma'am.
Figure likhisa ki physiology na anatomy likhisa? Anatomy of kidney.
Sorry, ma'am.
You should write.
Actually, I'm
ঠিক আছে হ'ব
confused,
দে
ma'am.
Actually this whole system to কি হয় জানা kidney তো তোমাৰ only those two bean shaped are known as kidneys. উপৰ যোনটো দুটা bean shape হয়
Yes, ma'am.
that are the kidneys, right kidney and left kidney. কিন্তু the whole thing is the urinary system. কিন্তু I want you all to know the whole part. That's why I gave you all together. Just kidney to Aki, like I didn't give in that way. I gave you everything. Kidneys, how it passes to the ureters, what are the renal artery, renal vein, vena cava, all the parts are mentioned in here. It basically appropriate hoy ei karone I have given this diagram. Okay. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
okay, good. Try more better next time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And on Monday and Tuesday, I think you have exams. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, I think you have exams. So during exams, 24 and 25, I guess. So during exams, I won't be taking class. So whosoever's presentation was, seminar was on 24 and 25, I will give you at last after 4th of July. I will give you a new list again. Okay, I will just take you to the bottom, 24 and 25 number. Others, everything will be same. So next presentation, I think it is Srijana. Right, Srijana, 28.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Thank you and take care, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.